inside the house at the time?
This room,
Yeah.
from there,
Yeah.
I think 9 person. Because every room have 2 person, 2 person.
Okay.
Me and him sleeping, or another one sleep together. So when I landed in Sudan.
And do you all live in the same house, or was there some sort of party going on?
Hmm?
Do you all live in the same house, or were you having some sort of...
No, all, yeah,
You all live in the same house?
yes.
These two people call him morning. I said, we stand up with these two people not stand up. I said, what happened? You should not stand up. I wake up, I go for the inside house. I don't know what happened. I call the police here. I'm sitting there. You don't answer me. I call the ambulance. You don't answer me.
You know your friend. What can you say?
I know him in Malta, not in Mali. I know him. So in Malta, I know him because I make the same detention, the same Malta. So get freedom the same. So but I live with him together now. I think it's 4 months.
No gas. Say gas, no gas.
No gas?
No gas.
Are they doing a barbecue inside?
So I don't know.